Do you want to know how to import private key from BullX to Phantom Wallet? Well, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. So for this one, just head over and then click right here into your BullX account. Now from in there, you can scroll down and here you can see all of these things. You can click onto this settings option and you can see in here this security and the presets and likes. You can also just head over right here to your BullX and then you can get your own private key from in here. So we have a lot of things that need to consider from this one right here. You can click onto the chains that you have and then just choose and click on start trading. Now from in there, you can also click onto the three lines. Now you can also access the same thing using that. You can click on positions and you can just add in here a position that you want. Now from in there, just head over to your Phantom wallet. So make sure that you have Phantom wallet installed on your phone or any device that you're actually using it in. Now once you have done that, next thing you need to do is just import that private key into your Phantom wallet and connect those. So to do that, click on your profile icon right here, enter your account, click on this add connect wallet, import private key option, and then just choosing here the network, the name, and then pasting here your private key.